Hello guys, welcome back at Son of Thins. But for today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Roblox ping spikes. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're having like ping spikes here on Roblox, there are a few things I could try doing. So first things first is you want to look for the original launcher for Roblox. So you want to go to your search here, just type in Roblox, and you want to go and look for Roblox player, and you want to go and basically right click, and you want to go and choose the option here that says open file location. Now from here, again, look for Roblox player, right click on it again. You want to go and choose the option here that says open file location until you see this one, the .exe file. Now you want to go and right click on it again, and you want to go into the properties option here. You want to go to the show signatures. You want to select the signature, or in this case, the embedded signatures here. You want to select this one, click on details, and from here, you want to go and click on view certificate. And what you need to do is you want to choose the option here that says install certificate. Now from here, it's going to say current user, local machine. So either choose current user here, click on next. From here, you could go and choose the automatically select the certificate store based on the type of certificate. Let's go and click on next. And from here, it's going to say complete the certificate import wizard here. Let's go and click on finish. And once you've done that and the import is successful, go and click on OK, OK, and OK here and see if that actually solves the issue. Now, by the way, once you've done this, it is recommended that you restart your PC and also your Wi-Fi connection here just a short while. But once you've done that, that should solve any of your issues. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to End of the Inspo. Thank you for watching.